Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on how to prompt ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text based on the prompts you provide it. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips to help you get the most out of ChatGPT. Before we dive into the tips, let's quickly go over how ChatGPT works. ChatGPT is a machine learning model that uses deep neural networks to analyze and understand natural language. When you provide it with a prompt, ChatGPT uses its understanding of language to generate a response that is similar in tone and style to a human's. Okay, let's get started with the first tip. Be specific. When you're prompting ChatGPT, it's important to be as specific as possible. The more specific your prompt, the more likely it is that ChatGPT will generate a response that is on topic and relevant. For example, instead of asking, "What is the meaning of life?" you could ask, "What is the meaning of life according to Aristotle?" This more specific prompt gives ChatGPT more context to work with, which can lead to a more accurate response. Moving on to tip number 2, use examples. Another tip for prompting ChatGPT is to use examples. When you provide ChatGPT with specific examples, it can use those examples to generate a more accurate response. For example, instead of asking, "What is the capital of France?" you could ask, "What are some popular attractions to visit in Paris?" By providing an example of something related to your prompt, ChatGPT has a better understanding of what you're asking and can generate a more accurate response. Our final tip is to use contextual prompts. When you provide ChatGPT with a prompt that includes context, such as the current situation or your location, it can generate a more personalized response. For example, instead of asking, "What's the weather like?" you could ask, "What's the weather like in San Francisco today?" By providing contextual information, ChatGPT can generate a more personalized response that takes into account your current location or situation. So, if you want to get the best possible response from ChatGPT, make sure your prompt is specific, use examples, and provide contextual information. These tips will help you get the most out of ChatGPT and generate more accurate and personalized responses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.